All right, welcome. We got a tutorial on cleaning the potty. Yeah, it still kind of smells in here. All right, stay tuned for 1 second. I'm gonna go get my blower. All right, here we go. I had to rig up my surge protector because their little drop cord wasn't quite long enough to reach my plane. So I got my fan going, got to get it aired out. Whew, she's stinky in there. So, anyways, now I'm gonna get my gloves and I'm gonna show you guys how I do the potty. The little it's a little honeypot thing right here. Oh, let me get my keys. I gotta open this hanger up, this door, get my gloves. All right. This is a big old deal. Oh, what a pain. All right, here we go. I'm gonna set the camera down just for a second so I can glove up. Here's what we're gonna do. All right, I got my gloves. We got our honey pot right here. All right, here's a little honey pot. I've already had it dumped by the Lav guys. They dump it into their cart. But I'm gonna go one step further and really rinse this thing out good in a big sink over here. All right. We got a big sink right over here. All right. I'm gonna set you guys right here for a second. We're gonna take the honey pot. We're gonna open this knife valve and really rinse this thing out good. All right. Set that over there. Yeah, because that didn't get all that blue juice out. We thought it was. All right, turn the water on. All right, it looks clean. I'll put that lid back on. All right, and grab a couple of paper towels, dry my hand. Now grab the camera. All right, here we go. So let's walk back over here. Doo-dee-doo. We got this clean. Shut this door. All right, so we got that done. The directions say put that little bit of 3 ounces of the chemical, but they're talking about that straight chemical. I got these little pods. So what I do is I pre-mix it. Let me show you guys. I pre-mix it. I've got these little Sani-Pack, little capsules that you can drop right into the toilet, but it doesn't give you how many gallons it treats, which is kind of, so when I mixed it up in my little jug, it actually comes out too strong. I mean, it's really, really strong smelling. And I don't want whole airplane, oops, sorry about that. I don't want the whole airplane to smell like I've got, smell like that chemical smell. So let me put you guys, I'm gonna put you guys right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's put you right like that. All right, so I'm gonna measure this out, 2 quarts. 2 quarts, I got a quart right here, 2 quarts is 8 cups. All right, actually this doesn't have to be full strength, but actually I'm gonna go 1 quart. Let's go 32 ounces. Let's go 1 quart. And I'm gonna go add the water to this, right? I'm gonna dilute this again. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I don't know if my Bluetooth is still picking me up walking away. How far it carries. All right, I'm back. You guys are still recording. I'm gonna pour this into the, oops, my jug might be in the way. I'm pouring it back in this main hole, the one with the cap, the screw cap. So there's 2 quarts. So it just barely touches the screen, right? It doesn't cover it, so it's halfway. So now I know. All right, we'll cover that back up. Wipe this down, dry it off. Okay, I'm gonna be carrying it into the plane. All right, there's that. Now I'm gonna re-glove. We're gonna pull these gloves off. All right, here's that. Let's open up the back of the plane. We're gonna hook the battery up so I can flush the potty. All right. All right, I gotta get some more gloves. All right. Glove up again. All right. Glove up again. All right, ta-da. Now, let's take the potty. We're gonna plug it in. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hook this up, completely hook it back up. All right, completely hook it back up. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me get in the plane and I'll get the flashlight. Now let's see if I can get past my fan. I might should turn this fan around. Let's set this down. Oops. Get my flashlight. It already smells better in here just by airing it out that little bit. That made a huge difference. It kind of was stinky back here. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. There's the potty, right? Here's the potty without the little thing underneath, right? And there's the hose that I'm gonna hook up. It's gonna be hard to show you guys while I'm doing. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna get back here and try to set the camera down. Wish I had a little tripod. I should have hooked up a tripod first. But anyways, there's that. I'm gonna, oops, let's leave that on. I'll come back. Still needs to air out a little bit. But it's not as bad for sure. All right, let's turn off my little blower for now. All right, we're going to grab the potty. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you on the outside in case I can't see it from inside. That hose connects to here, this little quick connect. You slide this potty in on this track. This track hooks, the track goes up under this thing, and then you flip these little tabs over so that it can't pull back out, right? You flip these little tabs, 2 tabs, and then you open this knife valve after it's in, which allows you to be able to go to the potty, right? So let me see if I can carry this and hold the camera at the same time. All right, here we go. We're going in the back. And it would definitely help if I was a little skinnier. If I lose some of my belly, make it easier. But luckily, this is where the short guy has the advantage, right? Me being little. All right, let's set the camera right here. Let's see. I'm gonna set the camera right here. I don't know. It'd be nice if it was angled a little bit. I don't know how much you guys can see, but here's the potty. I'm gonna slide it down. Oops. Trying not to scratch anything up. Slide it down. And here's the trick too. You got to get this hose. Now I just flop the hose right there. And what I do is I'm gonna get down on my belly, lay on the floor to get this so I can see this track right here that I'm going into. Just like that. It's not that difficult. There it is in the track. I'm gonna hook up the hose. There's the hose. Hose is hooked tight, right? I slide it back and in. And then I'm gonna get the flashlight down here so I can see those little tabs. Even though the tabs don't really have to be done because I'm gonna pull this potty back out again. I'm gonna open this little knifed valve thing. And I can see it up here on top. If I have it all the way open, there it goes. Now it's all the way open, right? So it's in there, it's hooked up. Right, we're gonna push it to flush it. Oh, I gotta go turn the battery on, sorry. Duh, I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn the battery on. All right, the battery's on. All right, here we go. We're gonna push to flush. I'm gonna flush it a couple times, right? And actually, I think it looks pretty good. So I think I'm good. All right. So now I'm gonna make sure those little tabs are done. Here's one. There's 2. All right, so that's good. And then I'm gonna put the little door back on. Little door. Oh, I might have it upside down. Yeah, I do. Goes this way. Huh? Yeah, it goes this way. Here's the little. There we go. All right, there's that. Here's my little direction sheet. That tells me how many ounces and all that to put in there. All right, let's put that right there. All right, potty looks good and clean. Smells good. And then next, I've showed you guys how I do this relief tube. I'm gonna clean that out. I'm just gonna pour my fluid down there, wipe it out with some Clorox wipes, and run some of my little concoction I got made up. All right. Up. Let's go. Let's go turn the battery back off. hang on. Take my glove off so I don't contaminate anything. All right. All right. And then we're gonna go get, I'll put on a new glove. All right. I've showed you guys how to do the little relief tube. All I have to do is pull it out completely so there's no kinks in it. Squeeze the little trigger and pour some of my little concoction. I've got a diluted pine salt and water concoction that I'm gonna pour down it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I might make some more of this blue juice and call it a day. Thanks.